Hi, this is Bhairavi Shah. As you know, I'm a very versatile person and I have lots of wonderful things that I offer via my profession. Like right now we are working with Lenormand cards. We are working the basic meanings of Lenormand cards, or you can say some number of options if you really want to learn it. However, these are all very starting point. Some options which you need to write down in your book so that when you are working with it, you can have a meaning to fall back to. Try not to complicate it too much by adding so much of information. Something like don't increase your vocabulary right from the beginning. So, okay, now we come to our 8th card, Lenormand card, which is Coffin. Coffin is a negative card. As the name suggests, you would have already guessed it. It does imply completion or end. It also can imply losses. It can mean health issues like sickness. And as a person or as a state, mental emotional state, it can be depression as well. So many times, so you can write down these information, okay, whichever I am telling you. Now in some of our readings, whenever we do readings, this card can also show up when we are talking about a box, a closed space. So that also can be considered. It's a negative card, so it does imply ending. But you have to be really not so cynical about it. The reason is because the placements and the surrounding cards and the question related to the answer that we have pulled the cards for is all very important factors to really understand exactly what does it mean. And it may take some practice, regular practice, for you to really know which one to pick up and which not. In some cases it does inform you about endings. So this is what Coffin means. One or two of the additional meaning that we can give is that, as I already told you, it may mean box, but it may also mean drawer. It may also mean cupboard. So you can use this as a reference as well. And understand one thing, when you are talking about coffin, sometimes when we are talking about end, in tarot we have some cards which shows ending. It also can mean transformation, but in this area, coffin does not mean transformation. It means full stop. Even if it may be temporary, sometimes it does mean that if in case you put in a lot of effort, maybe something would work out, but it does mean an ending. It can be of temporary nature as well. So keeping that in mind, I have given or informed you as much as I think is basic and important, and it would be really easy to work with. So we have completed today's card. See you in the next card. Bye.